Solving for each absolute value equation here. So again, we have two absolute value expressions into an equation. So the left side, we have absolute value expression 2x plus 7 over 3. And on the right side, we have absolute value of x plus 2. So how do we go about it? Now, we have a fraction here, and this one is not a fraction. But that's not where the problem is. The problem is how do you remove the absolute value symbols? By doing what? So here for the first one, so we have 2x plus 7 over 3. All right, remove it. So that will be equal to then x plus 2. No question asked, nothing. So it remains the same. The first expression remains the same. The second expression on the right side also remains the same. However, that's not all the story, right? So now, however, what's happening is that what's happening here is that then you have 2x plus 7 for the first one over 3. And then what's going to happen here? So this one here is going to change to the opposite side. So instead of having now positive x plus 2, all we change signs to, this is going to be equal to negative x, negative 2. Are we good? All right. So now, how are we going to solve for this problem here? So we have a fraction here. This one is not a fraction. The easiest way to do this, ladies and gentlemen, if you have an expression with 3 at the bottom, and then this one has nothing at the bottom, you can always do cross multiplication. Because this one can be seen as an invisible one underneath it, right? And of course, 1 times anything stays the same thing. So 1 times, so we say cross multiplication, right? So 1 times 2x plus 7, that would give us what? So that would give us 2x plus 7. And that is equal to what? So that is equal to 3 times x plus 2. Okay? So we bring this one down. 2x plus 7. This is equal to what? So what is 3 times x? It's 3x. And what is 3 times 2? 6. So it's 3x plus 6. All right? And once you get that, what's happening is now to combine like terms. So 2x and 3x got to be combined together, like we said before in another videos. You take the smallest one to the largest one. It makes your life a lot easier because you end up with a positive variable on that side. So that means 2 smaller than 3. So we have negative 2x, negative 2x then. So what's happening is this one is 7 equals to what? 3 minus 2 is 1, or just x. Then you bring down the 6. All right? And then now you're solving for x. Don't forget that's your target. So that means 6 got to go. By negative 6, negative 6. So you end up with x then equals to 7 minus 6 is 1. You're done. Okay, so from the first one, finished. Now let's go to the second one here. So we have 2x plus 7 over 3 equals to negative x, negative 2. All right, so the same thing that we did there, we can do the same thing over here as well by just cross multiplying. Easier way to do it. If you have 2 fractions, cross multiply. Your life is safe. So let's go for it. So 1 times anything stay the same. So the first one is going to give us what? 2x plus 7, because 1 times 2x plus 7 is going to give you 2x plus 7. Then that is equal to what? 3 times negative x, 3 times negative 2. So it's 3 times negative x, negative 2.